Okay, it's Valerie here, my friends. Check this out. I am putting up a fence, with the help of my husband and two sons, of course. And the reason why I'm putting up this fence here is because I want to give my garden a backdrop so it can shine, because without the fence, my garden is overtaken by all the bushes beyond, which is just a part of my neighbor's 150 acres. Okay, so this is why I'm putting up the fence. And yesterday we started putting on the panels. We put the lights on the day before we did the post. My husband dug the holes. My husband and my big son dug the holes, and they helped me to mix the mortar and to put up the post. And we put the light on yesterday, and I actually had to get a panel on because I wanted to start see how it's gonna look. And so I got that panel on yesterday with the help of my son, of course. And these are all pallets on the ground that we have collected from the big box store downtown Bancroft to build our, in quotes, free fence, because it's not really free, right? You gotta drive to pick up the pallets, and of course we had to buy some large spruce from our lumber yard downtown. Okay, so I'm just showing you my fence that I'm getting erected, and I will let you see the progress a little later. And when it's finished, I will let you see the finished product. So I know you know pallets can do a lot. Go get yourself some pallets and do some projects around your home and garden. Until next time, you take care now. Have a great week.